Hi, Mike with RPS Solar Pumps here. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our RPS 200 to 800 complete solar well pump kits. If we take a look in the box, start off with our submersible solar well pump featuring stainless steel build quality. The other major component of our kit is our solar controller. This takes the solar power in and runs the pump off of it. Then we get into our accessories. Everybody gets a very detailed user manual walking the beginner and professional through the installation steps. All of our systems feature low well sensors and tank full sensors to prevent the well from running dry and prevent the tank from overflowing. We supply high quality solar cable in order to hook up your solar panels, which are monocrystalline 100-watt panels, up to your controller. The last part of the kit are the accessories to make your installation go easier. We include Splice Kits for both your well pump to extend out the wire and for your sensor wire. We include hose barbs to help make your connection to poly pipe much simpler. We include controller mounting screws and ground clamps, and a spare pumping mechanism. RPS Solar Pumps is one of the only well pumps that is field repairable. In case your water production ever decreases, it's very simple to change out the pumping mechanism and go back to your peak performance. So as you can see, here's our basic kit with panels as well. And then we also have a full line of top-of-pole mounts. And so what we're going to do in this video series is we're going to walk through some of the features of the kits, some of the components of the kits, and then we're going to walk you through a basic installation to help you understand how to set up and operate your solar well pump.